Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interviews and other available vacancies on today. I am accepting 1000 likes for this video. And anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification and kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Let's see the working interview conducting on 23rd May on registered timing 9:30 am to 10:30 am. The interview time will be 11 am to 4 pm. The interview conducting is at Kidma Abu. Vacancies are Assistant FM Manager, Civil Supervisor, HSC Officer, Mechanical Engineer, Electrical HV and LV Engineer, Site Administrator, MEP Supervisor, MEP Engineer, Electrical Engineer, Senior MEP Engineer, ELV Supervisor, Facilities Assistant, Landscape Supervisor, Assistant Facility Manager for Soft Services, Beach Lifeguard Supervisor, and should have 2 to 5 year experience in GCC and Arabic speakers preferred. Interview location is at Kidma office, Nargis 2, Al Rayana, Khalifa City A in Abu. Next working interview is on 23rd May since 9 am onwards. Interview is at Opron Middle East, Dubai. Vacancies are AC technician, electrician, plumber, civil technician, multi technician, chiller technician, and kitchen technician. Interview location is at R260 Bania Square building, M floor near Banias Metro Station, Dubai. Contact numbers are 056 411 7951 and 050 389 3057. Next working interview is on 26 May, timing 10 am to 2 pm at AG Facilities Management, Dubai. The vacancies are heavy bus driver. Requirement is minimum 1 year UAE driving experience with license. Light bus driver, minimum 1 year UAE driving experience with license number 5. Interview location is at Al Ghurair Industries Camp, MBM plot 264-417-215A Street, Muhsina. Next working interview is on 26 May at 10 am to 2 pm at AG Facilities Management, Dubai. Vacancies are MEP Technician, AC Technician, Mason, Carpenter, Assistant AC Technician, and Helper. Requirements are more than 2 years UAE or GCC experience in relevant role. Interview location is at AG6 Al Ghurair Staff Accommodation, Al Qus, Dubai. Next working interview is on 29th May, timing 8:30 am to 4 pm. Interview is at Servio LLC, Dubai. Vacancies are landscape engineers, irrigation technicians, irrigation or landscape supervisor, irrigation or landscape lead, big machine operators with license, small machine operators. The interview location is at Survey Main Office, Al Qus. Next vacancy is at Al Ghurair Facilities Solutions, UAE. Vacancies for Assistant Facilities Management. Requirement is minimum 7 year experience with native Arabic speaker. Send your resume by email fm.careers@al-ghurair.com. Next vacancy is at Safar Travels, UAE. Vacancies for travel consultant. Requirement is minimum 2 year experience in visa and ticket handling with English and Hindi. Good GDS knowledge as well. Send your resume by email safarue@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Relief Medical Center LLC, UAE. Vacancies are orthodontist, nurse RN, laser technician, medical coder, GP aesthetic dermatologist. Above vacancies are required with MOH and on visa. Send your resume by email amjadaruwail@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Millennium Hotels and Resorts, Dubai. They have various positions. If you are looking hospitality job, you can send your resume to babuji.panikar@millenniumhotels.com. Next vacancy is at SOT Hospitality, Dubai. Vacancies are head waiters, runners, hostess in Turkish speaker, hostess in Russian speaker. Send your resume by email careers@SOT Hospitality. Next vacancies at Al Basma School, UAE. Vacancies are Arabic A teacher, Arabic B teacher, IELTS required, Islamic teacher, Islamic B teacher, IELTS required for Arabs, FS Arabic and Social Studies B teacher, IELTS required for Arabs. Requirements are minimum 2 years teaching experience and minimum 6 score required for IELTS. Send your resume by email avpmoe@albasma.school. Next vacancy is at Devmar Group, Dubai. The vacancy is for an accountant. Send your resume by email yusra@devmar. Next vacancy is at ACC Developments, UAE. The vacancy is for lifeguard supervisor. Requirement is you must hold high fields RLSS, STA or equivalent. Send your resume by email careers at Assisi Developments. Next vacancy is at Trade Circle Enterprises LLC UAE. The vacancy is for a junior accountant. Requirement is minimum 2 to 3 year experience. Salary will be 3,000 to 3,500 dirham. Send your resume by email hrsalestce@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Adena Education, Dubai. The vacancies are Zen Coordinator, Librarian, Head of Inclusion, Head of Key Stage 1, Career Counselor, School Nurse, Teacher, Art Teacher, Biology Teacher, ICT Teacher, Arabic Teacher, Business Studies Teacher, Class Teacher, English Teacher, Humanities Teacher, Islamic Teacher, Maths Teacher, Physics Teacher, Science Teacher, STEM Teacher, HOD for Arabic, Islamic, Social Studies, Maths and ICT. Send your resume by email careers at athenaeducationglobal.com. Next vacancy is at Abu Dhabi Aviation UAE. The vacancy is for accommodation coordinator. Requirement is minimum 4 years experience in hotel management or similar. Send your resume by email careers at ada.ae. Next vacancy is at Abu Dhabi Aviation UAE. The vacancy is for transport coordinator. Requirement is minimum 6 year experience in transportation field and 2 years similar. Send your resume by email careers at ada. Next vacancy is at Altari Contracting LLC, Dubai. Vacancy is for senior accountant. Send your resume by email admin@altaricontracting.com. Next vacancy is at Royal Private English School, Fujairah. The vacancy is for early years teacher. Job reference will be EYF 076. Requirement is minimum 2 year experience and should have bachelor degree with Montessori certificate. Work experience should be in both CBSE and IGCSE curriculum. Should have completed by regular class, not through correspondence or distance learning. When you are sending your application, just mention the reference number on your email. Send your resume by email careers@royalschoolfujairah.com. Next vacancy is at The Accountant, Dubai. Vacancy is for accounts manager. Send your resume by email info@theaccountant.ae. Next vacancy is at Gonaim Properties, Dubai. The vacancy is for an accountant. Requirement is minimum 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email info@gonaimproperties. Next vacancy is at Oro 24, Dubai. The vacancy is for an accountant. Minimum 2 to 3 year experience is required. Send your resume by email hr@oro24. Next vacancy is at Season Group, Dubai. The vacancy is for an accountant. Minimum 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email careers@seasongroup.com. Next vacancy is at Angar Allied at Umm Al Quwain. The vacancy is for a storekeeper. Requirement is minimum 5 year experience in manufacturing industry. Should have experience in ERP systems. Send your resume by email recruitmenthr@angarallied.com. Next vacancy is at Credence High School, Dubai. Vacancy is for special educator, art teacher for early years, ICT or computer teacher for primary. Send your resume by email careers@Credence High School. Next vacancy is at the Act Hotel, Sharjah. Vacancies are sous chef, F&B supervisor, assistant F&B manager, sales executive for mice, sales executive for corporate. Send your resume by email hrm@theacthotel.com. Next vacancy is at Edge Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are maintenance technician, quality controller, development technician, technician wareheld, production technician, specialist internal communication, laser welding technician, and senior manager for international sales and program manager. You can apply through edgegroup.ae/career. Next vacancy is at Castrans, Dubai. The vacancy is for a business development manager. Requirement is minimum 8 year experience in business development. You can apply through Castrans website, castrans. Next vacancy is at Leica Online Dubai at Dubai. Vacancy is for a van salesman. Requirement is minimum 2 years outdoor sales experience, the experience in mobile accessory sales, and valid manual UA driving license as well. Send your resume by email info@leicaonline.com. Next vacancy is at Jinko Contracting Company, LLC, Sharjah. Vacancy is for a QAQC engineer. Requirement is 8 years UAE experience required. The next vacancy is QAQC inspector. 4 years UAE experience is required. Send your resume by email hr@gccginco.ae. Next vacancy is at Raibal Holding UAE. Vacancies are accountant, payroll officer, sales executive or medical rep, field inspector or site supervisor, biomedical engineer, female chiropractor, support engineer, and treasury officer. Send your resume by email careers01@raibal.com. Next vacancy is at Annex Holding, Dubai. The vacancy is for a junior accountant. Send your resume by email nadeem.a@annexholding.com. Next vacancy is at SS Lutha, Dubai. The vacancy is for a HR executive. Requirements are salary will be 6,000 to 7,000 dirham, 3 to 4 year experience in trading and real estate. Send your resume by email recruitment@sslutha. Next vacancy is at Asmak Food Company LLC, UAE. Vacancies are supervisor and junior chef. Send your resume by email hr@asmak.ae. Next vacancy is at Zocola Chocolate, Dubai. The vacancy is for a sales executive. Salary will be 5,000 to 8,000 dirham plus commission, and 3 years in Horeca industry experience is required. Send your resume by email admin@zoka.ae. Next vacancy in UAE for accounts payable. Send your resume by email hr@budsar.co. Next vacancy in UAE for an accountant. Minimum 2 year experience in ERP software is required. Send your resume by email anila@stgroup.ae. Next vacancy is at Al Ashram Contracting LLC, UAE. Vacancies are storekeeper and QAQC director. Send your resume by email careers@al-ashram.com. Next vacancy is at Abdullah Al Arif Investment, Dubai. Vacancies for a receptionist. Male receptionist is required. Send your resume by email career@aai.ae. Next vacancy is at Al Muruj English School, UAE. Vacancies are Vice Principal, Social Worker, Max HOD and English HOD, Sen Specialist, Activity Coordinator, EYFS Teacher, Arabic Teacher. Send your resume by email hr@almurujsch.com. Next vacancy is at Haston Way Shipping LLC, UAE. The vacancies are Sales Executive with NVOCC Logistic Sales Experience. And the other one is Junior Accountant. Send your resume by email hr@hastonwayshipping.com. Next vacancy is at Hussein Al Shamsi Chartered Accountants, UAE. The vacancy is for auditors. Requirements are certified with CA, ACCA, CPA, 2 to 3 years of audit experience, exposure to ERP systems and Excel. Send your resume by email careers@halsca.com. Next vacancy is at Al Kabis Coldmart, Alain. Vacancies are salesman, storekeeper, packing boy, and light vehicle driver. WhatsApp your CV on 056 786 1534. Next vacancies for Americana Restaurants, UAE. Vacancies for motorcycle driver. Valid UAE license is required. WhatsApp your CV on 050 484 0512. Next vacancy in UAE for a typist. Minimum 2 year experience with Arabic, English, and Hindi. Knowledge about Dubai immigration, Tadbir, and trade license. Send your resume by email jobskydoc@gmail.com. Next vacancy in UAE for a graphic designer and digital marketing executive. Send your resume by email cvcreativefolio@gmail.com. Next vacancy in Dubai for warehouse in charge or storekeeper. 3 to 4 year experience is required. Send your resume by email admin@eventumexhibitions.com. Next vacancies at MEP and interior company in Dubai. Vacancies are plumber and electrician. WhatsApp your CV on 050 304 5476. Next vacancies at Typic Center in Dubai. Vacancy for a PRO. Minimum 2 year experience is required. WhatsApp your CV to 052 681 8888. Next vacancy is at Cafeteria in Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are Parota maker, Chapati maker, Dosha maker, and Sandwich maker. WhatsApp your CV to 052 824 3700. Thanks for watching my channel Jobs in UAE. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification, and kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Anyway, don't forget to mention the subject title on your each application as